Hi kids, today we will learn about 15 name of birds in English with picture birds vocabulary. Let's start. Eagle, eagle, peacock, peacock, pigeon, pigeon, parakeet, parakeet, vulture, vulture, hummingbird, hummingbird, owl, owl, quail, quail, kingfisher, kingfisher, blue jay, blue jay, swallow, swallow, canary, canary, bush warbler, bush warbler, common swift, common swift, ospreys, ospreys, wren, wren, lovebird, lovebird, grebe, grebe, moa, moa, dodo, dodo, gannet, gannet, bluebird, bluebird, tailorbird, tailorbird, duck, duck, dove, dove, goose, goose, finches, finches, hawk, hawk, sparrow, sparrow, mine, mine, ostrich, ostrich, kite, kite, magpie, magpie, starling, starling, seagull, seagull, barn swallow, barn swallow, falcon, falcon, coot, coot, lark, lark, conure, conure, guinea fowl, guinea fowl, kiwi, kiwi, as your dollar, as your dollar, road runner, road runner, kestrel, kestrel, wagtail, wagtail, hen, hen, stroke, stroke, pelican, pelican, crow, crow, woodpecker, woodpecker, cuckoo, cuckoo, emu, emu, cockatoo, cockatoo, pheasant, pheasant, heron, heron, cassowary, cassowary, megapod, megapod, sandpiper, sandpiper, rail, rail,